Tutorial 10, Using Google Tools for Date Filters. Once you've focused your search by source, there's another critical step, making sure the information is timely based on your needs. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use Google's tool feature to filter by publication date. Part 1, Why Filtering by Date Matters. In business research, timing is everything. You may need the most recent or historical market trends, regulations, or innovations. Filtering by date and limiting your date ensures you're basing your analysis on information that's relevant. Part 2, Using Google's tools to filter dates. After you run a search, look just below the search bar for a button called Tools. Click Tools, and then under Any Time, select a date range. Past year, past month, even custom dates like January 2022 to April 2025. This helps to eliminate irrelevant content and pushes the information you need towards the top of your search results. Part 3, Practice Examples. Say you're researching changes in the food delivery industry after the pandemic. You'd search food and delivery and trends, then use tools, go to custom range, and then select 2020 to 2025. This specification ensures you're pulling only post-pandemic insights. Next, we'll take filtering even further by targeting data across specific year ranges built right into your search terms.